The S24 FE unboxing video usually comes out after the official release is leaked, and we have everything we need to know about the Galaxy S24 FE, including the price. For the first time, you get a mix of flagship S24 and S24 Plus in the Fan Edition. The S24 FE screen size is now the same as the S24 Plus, making it the biggest FE phone from Samsung. But don't confuse the size with the type. This means the S24 FE display supports full HD Plus resolution, like the S24 instead of QHD Plus on the S24 Plus. The display also received an upgrade in peak brightness from 1450 nits to 1900 nits and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Due to the larger design, the battery capacity is also upgraded from 4500 mAh to 4700 mAh. Everything looks like an upgrade from the last generation's FE. So does that mean camera specs are also upgraded? Well, in terms of hardware, don't expect an upgrade because the S24 FE has the same 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. However, the S24 FE's camera can outshine the S23 FE's captured photos, because there is definitely an upgrade in image processing. The S24 FE features a Pro Visual engine, and just like flagships, this FE can capture less noisy, less blurry, and more vibrant photos. Additionally, the Pro Visual engine's AI suite is a much-needed upgrade for the S24 FE cameras. The S24 FE comes in 5 vibrant colors, and for the first time, we got a real look at how it will look. Now here is an interesting part of the story. Samsung used its in-house Exynos 2400E chipset in the S24 FE, which is an underclocked version of the flagship Exynos 2400. For the first time, every region will get the same performance, including the US. The reason? It's all about pricing. Qualcomm has raised its chipset prices lately, and Samsung couldn't do that this time. So does that mean prices are going to be lower this year? While competitors like Apple's and Google's SE and A series phones are super affordable, that's not the case with Samsung. The S24 FE is $50 more expensive than the previous generation, bringing its price up to a whopping $709. At this price range, there are plenty of flagship options available. You can get the Pixel 8, OnePlus 12, and even last year's S23, with better performance, cameras, and a bunch of cool AI features. You can also wait for the S25 release for flagship S24 series prices to drop. If you are interested in what upgrades are coming with the S25 series, you will be amazed. You can watch it right here. This is Techtics, signing off for now.